Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day, and for today's trade of the day we will be looking at the pound dollar, right? So overnight the pound actually pushed higher very strongly. So we want to see what intraday opportunities there are, and really very nicely on the 4 hours we actually see that the market is trading sideways within this zone, right? So there should be a nice intraday opportunity over here, because price is reacting right at a key resistance, right? A swing high that has been tested 1, 2, 3 and is currently being tested at the 4th time. So we can expect price to at least push down, right, towards the last swing low, right? So we do have a key resistance, we do have a key support level. Very quickly, let's go down to the 1 hour, right? I just want to show you guys, right, the 1 hour, this is the broad range that we are looking at. Okay, so we can actually tidy this up here and put this as our resistance. Okay, of course this will be our end of day target, so this can be our final take profit, the range, the low of the range. But we also see a completed movement here. We can use Fibonacci retracement from the low to the high and open our Fibonacci ratios, right? And we see that the first graphical target, right, would actually be the 61.8, where there is actually a graphical overlap, right? We see price spiked over here, and if we look to the left, okay, price actually held this area as support before breaking it to retest it as resistance with this spike. So we have a partial take profit and the final take profit for this intraday trade. Now the question will then be, where is the entry? Alright, for us, very simply, this is the stop loss level, but I will not put it at the last swing high. I will actually back the stop loss up a bit, okay, to give the trade a bit of room to breathe, because we don't want the trade to be prematurely stopped out, right? So we're going to put a stop loss over here, just a few more pips higher, okay, and let's quickly go down to the 30 minutes to look for an entry. Right, price is currently moving lower, so we can actually use Fibonacci retracement from this high to this low, and we can see that there is a strong graphical resistance here at the 61.8, right? So this can be our entry, our possible sell entry, 61.8, and our stop loss also happens to be on the 127.20 Fibonacci retracement level. Alright, so this is just a waiting game right now when the London session kicks in, okay, and we can have zoom back out to the 1 hour, and we see that, you know, this is a very nice intraday trade with a very nice risk reward profile. Okay, last but not least, we can also include stochastics, and we can see that every time stochastics test this resistance, right, every time stochastics test this resistance, price drops lower, right? This area here, okay, you can see a divergence being formed and price drops lower. This area here, okay, price drops lower. Alright, of course price came close to this stochastics resistance and it dropped lower. Now stochastics is testing this resistance once more, we can expect price to drop much lower. Alright, so that's all the time that we have for today's trade of the day. Wish you guys all the best, trade safe, stay safe, and I'll catch you guys again. Thank you.